How to delete repost on TikTok. First, open TikTok. And once you're in TikTok, what you have to do is just basically go to your profile. And once you're in profile, you will be able to see these sections right over here. First one is your main section where you can upload your own videos. Then you got a private section. And then in the third one, we get to see the repost section. So you gotta go to the repost section. And here, as you can see, we have a video on this section. So how do we delete this video? It's called a repost basically. So how do we delete this repost or remove it? First, you gotta click on it. And here, as you can see, it shows that I've basically reposted the video. So what do I have to do? Is basically press on the share icon. And I will be able to see the option of remove repost. And basically, you just have to press this option. And here you go. It says removed. So here, as you can see, so there are no more reposts. That means our repost has been deleted successfully. So yeah, that's it on how to delete repost on TikTok. I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like and subscribe. Goodbye.